Hey everyone, I'm Lena, and welcome back to the Steam and Sauna Blueprint by Opulent Recreations, your home for all things steam, sauna, and modern wellness. Today, I want to take you through one of my favorite rituals, a cold plunge plus steam shower routine. It sounds dramatic, it sounds intense, it sounds, honestly, a little strange, but it works. And there's a reason why so many athletes, wellness practitioners, and even everyday people swear by this combination. So let's break it down slowly, with warmth, patience, and a little humor. Because trust me, the cold plunge will humble you. Let's start with what's actually happening inside your body. Because this routine isn't a trend, it's physiology, simple, reliable, beautiful. When you expose yourself to cold, your blood vessels tighten, your body contracts, everything becomes alert, focused, and switched on. Then when you step into steam, your blood vessels expand, your muscles loosen, your breathing deepens, your mind shifts from survive to restore. This gentle back and forth contraction and expansion isn't just relaxing, it's a workout for your circulatory system and a massage for your nervous system. Your heart pumps harder, your blood flows faster, and your mental fog gets wiped clean, like you pressed a reset button on the inside. Alright, let's talk about cold plunging first. Cold plunging is like jumping into a refrigerator that your ancestors definitely did not ask for. But beneath the shock and dramatic breathing, there's something incredible happening. Cold exposure boosts circulation, stimulates brown fat, activates dopamine pathways, increases alertness, reduces inflammation. And here's something interesting. Your brain becomes incredibly present. When cold water hits you, you stop thinking about emails, problems, your to-do list, childhood trauma, taxes. No, you think about one thing. Wow, this is cold. It's forced mindfulness, not poetic, but very effective. And then, we step into the warmth. Steam is the opposite element. It's yin to the cold plunge's yang, its softness, its comfort, its release. When you enter the steam shower, your muscles unclench, your breathing opens, your heart rate stabilizes, lymph flow increases, your mind relaxes, your stress melts like wax. Steam encourages stillness, not because you're shocked, but because you're safe. It feels like your whole body sighs, and you realize, oh, this is what relaxation is supposed to feel like. Now the real power of this routine lies in the contrast. The transition. The dance between extremes. Cold pulls your system into a fight or flight state. Steam brings it back down to balance. You go from shock to calm, tension to release, contract to expand, resist to surrender. And each time you move through that cycle, your nervous system learns something important. One can handle intensity, and one can return to peace. This is resilience training, not the loud, motivational kind, the quiet kind, the kind that shows up when life gets heavy. But let's talk feelings. Because this routine isn't just physical, it's emotional therapy disguised as water. When you sit in the cold, your mind says, one don't want this, one want out. You learn to breathe anyway, to stay, to soften into discomfort. Then you move into steam, and your body says, thank you for making it through. Let me soothe you now. This builds emotional agility. You learn to stay calm in discomfort, to soften after stress, to self-regulate, to return to your center, to not overreact. It's not just a routine, it's a metaphor for life. Cold, then warm, stress, then ease, challenge, then comfort, and the ability to move between them with grace. If you want to try this routine, here's a gentle beginner plan. Step 1, start with steam, warm the body for 5 to 10 minutes, let everything loosen. Step 2, do a short cold plunge 20 to 30 seconds is enough in the beginning. Focus on slow breathing. Step 3, return to steam. Spend 2 to 5 minutes warming up again, let the body integrate. Step 4, repeat if you want. 1 cycle is enough. 2 cycles is amazing. 3 is mastery. There's no need to push. No heroics required, consistency beats intensity. A few reminders. Don't jump in too cold at the beginning. Don't steam too long. Don't hold your breath. Don't compare your tolerance to others. Do breathe deeply. Do listen to your body. Do end with warmth. Do hydrate. Your body adapts with time. Be kind to it. This combination is wonderful for people with busy minds, athletes, office workers, people who hold tension in their body, those trying to build emotional resilience, anyone wanting a natural energy boost. Basically, humans. So that's the beauty of a cold plunge plus steam shower routine. It's simple, gentle, powerful, and deeply human. If you try it, take your time, go slow, let your body guide you. And most of all, enjoy the stillness that comes after. You'll find links to all our steam shower collection below in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. And if you'd like more real-world insights or personalized help, join our free school community, the Steam and Sauna Blueprint. I'm Lena, and until next time, stay warm, relaxed, and inspired.